Christmas is over and you probably can't stand the sight of crackers and cheese anymore. Here's another alternative that you're gonna love it so much. It's super easy to make and delicious. So let's make these salty nut crackers with dark chocolate bars. Start off by bringing any of your salted crackers. They need to be plain and salted. Add them in a food processor with some brown sugar. I have here peanut butter, almond butter and cashew butter together. You can have one if you want just a single nut butter. Add your butter and then whiz it until it becomes like a sandy texture. Place it on your tray and then press it all down, followed by your mixed nuts. Of course, this recipe is going to be on my website as usual, so don't worry if you're missing out on any of the ingredients. Add your cranberries and crush more salted crackers and then add your chocolate. Now I added 72% dark chocolate or 70% just because this is already too sweet and the dark chocolate balances it out so well. Add your condensed milk on top with some little sprinkle of cinnamon. Make sure you press down any crackers that are shown because we don't want to burn them, and then bake it until it's ready and allow it to cool down, then slice it. The bar is going to be sticky, sweet and salty, perfect 3 combinations together. Make sure you check my website for more details.